This is a guide on how to re-silicone any area of store. Here we can see the old silicone needs to be replaced. First, we'll remove all previous silicone with a scraper and blade as needed. After we use the scraper, we need the area to be clean and dry. For silicone, the preferred brand is the GE series that comes in all colors. However, others like DAP are fine. To prepare the bottle, we are going to use a blade to cut the tip at a 45-degree angle. This angle will help us with placing the silicone. After the cut, we will use the pointy part of the silicone gun to pierce through the seal on the inside. Now we can place the silicone in the gun and pump it until it comes out. Pro tip, use paper towel for any excess or residue silicone. Now we tape the area up to isolate the section that needs silicone. It is important to make neat lines and leave some space for the silicone. When we want to remove the tape later, we don't want to rip the silicone off. Now we place the silicone onto the area. First thing to note is to have the tip facing down to help set the silicone into the area with the tip. Second is to squeeze enough to have a constant controlled flow of silicone with a steady pace of moving the gun. We don't want to see bubbles or gaps while setting the silicone, and if you use a little too much, it's okay. Now that the silicone is all in, we will wet our index finger and proceed to run our finger from one end to the other to create a very smooth, consistent finish, and remove any excess and fill in any holes made in the original setting. Now we will remove the tape and it should look very neat, fully filled and ready to go. Let this sit for a minimum of an hour. Best practice is multiple hours before applying any type of liquid or interference. Now we can use a chopstick or a screw to seal back the silicone bottle. If you do not seal this bottle, the entire silicone will harden and be unusable for further times. Lastly, release the pressure of the gun and you are fully done.